This is La Paz, capital city of Bolivia. Here are some 3 interesting facts about La Paz. 1. The city was founded on October 20, 1548, by Spanish conquistador Captain Alonso de Mendoza. 2. La Paz is located on an elevation of over 10,000 feet or 3,050 meters above sea level, making it the world's highest capital city. And 3. The city has the world's largest urban cable car network, offering amazing views of the city below. Are you planning to visit La Paz in the near future? Why not book a free walking tour with a local guide? This is a fantastic way to explore the city on a budget. It's free to book and there are no cancellation fees in case you decide to cancel your booking. You can find a booking link below on the description section of this video. And if you like the content, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Pinterest. This will help us grow and produce more content like this. Thank you.